Right. Good evening, everyone. Today we are from Group 7 and we are going to talk about our project, which is about Netflix, which is a streaming technology. I would like to pass on to Sam to talk about the poster.
Okay, good evening. And our presentation today will explain about the graph poster of the Netflix and the disruptive innovation life cycle. For the first step, in 1997, Netflix was launched as a DVD rental by mail service. At that time, Blockbuster dominated the rental market with physical store. Netflix introduced a new way of renting movies. Customer could order DVDs online and have them delivered right to their homes. The service created a new market because it provided more convenience compared to traditional store. While Blockbuster relied on customer visiting outlet, Netflix model attract people who value flexibility and ease. According to Christensen, in 1997, this is the essence of disruptive innovation, entering the market with a new idea that seems small at first but holds long-term potential. Next.
Okay, now moving on to step two, low-end footing. Netflix positioned itself with, with a low-cost subscription model compared to Blockbuster per rental charge. More importantly, Netflix eliminated late fees, which was one of the most biggest complaints about Blockbuster. This approach attracted cost-sensitive customers who were tired of paying extra charge. Netflix essentially targeted a market segment that Blockbuster ignored. In Christiansen's model, this step shows how disruptors grow by serving customers overlooked by established companies. Netflix built loyalty and gained momentum, while Blockbuster remained focused on high revenue physical rental.
Okay, next is step three, which is sustaining innovation. In 2007, Netflix transitioned into streaming services instead of waiting for DVDs. Customers could now watch content instantly over the internet. This was a major sustaining innovation because it directly addressed growing consumer demand for on-demand content. Netflix consistently improved its platform, making streaming smoother, faster, and more accessible. This step highlights how Netflix sustained its growth by investing in technology that met the evolving needs of society. People no longer wanted to visit rental shops. They wanted entertainment anytime, anywhere.
Okay, now we arrive at step 4, market disruption. Blockbuster failed to adapt to the streaming trend. Although Blockbuster had the opportunity to buy Netflix in the early 2000s, it dismissed the idea. By 2010, the gap between the two companies was undeniable. Netflix streaming service had fully disrupted the rental market, and Blockbuster eventually filed for bankruptcy. This stage perfectly illustrates Christensen's theory: when incumbents ignore new entrants, they risk being overtaken and replaced. Netflix's disruptive strategy didn't just challenge Blockbuster, it also changed the entire entertainment industry. Next, Wanama will continue.
Finally, we have step 5, market domination and expansion. From 2016 onwards, Netflix expanded globally into more than 190 countries. It also began producing original shows such as House of Cards and Stranger Things. These productions give Netflix a strong brand identity and attract millions of new subscribers worldwide. Today, Netflix dominates the streaming industry with over 230 million subscribers. The impact of this disruption is massive. It killed the DVD rental market. It reshaped consumer behavior. People now expect instant and on-demand entertainment. It also inspired the rise of competitors like Disney Plus, Amazon Prime, and HBO Max, and it transformed the way film and TV are distributed globally. As Christensen argued, disruptive innovation doesn't just replace old technologies; it reshapes industries and create new social norms. Netflix is the perfect example of this transformation. Thank you.
All right. Now I will be demonstrating the code that we developed as a team. Right. This is the code that we developed. Okay, as you can see, when you run the code, it will show 6 different options, which are list all the movies, recommend by genre, search a movie, add movie to watch list, and view my watch list, and finally we have exit. Let's start with option number 1. When we press 1, it will show what are the available movies. Okay, and in this case, we have 6 different movies in 6 different genre and their ratings as well. And when we press 2, it will ask us about what is the genre that we want to watch. Let's say in this case, I'll choose action. And then the code will show us what movie is related to action. And in this case, it will show the Extraction from 2020, which have the rating of 6.8. Next, if we choose choice number 3, it will ask for what is the movie title that we want to search for. Let's say I choose something that is not in the list. Let's say I say Baywatch. As you can see, since the searched title is not in the list, it will say no movies match your search. Now let's see if we can find Bird Box. Okay, sorry. As you can see, when I search for the movie that is in the list, it will show the movie that we search for. And in this case, I searched for Bird Box and it showed Bird Box. Next, I would like to choose option 4, which is add movie to my watch list. And when we choose this option, it will show available movies, which we can later put in our watch list. Let's say in this case, I choose number 5, The Irishman from 2019. And it says The Irishman has been added to your watch list. Now let's confirm it whether it's already added in the watch list or not by choosing View My Watch List. As you can see, when we choose the View My Watch List, it will show what is the movie that we have chosen and put in the watch list. And finally, we have the exit option. When you press 6, it will exit the program, which says thank you for using Netflix mini system. Goodbye. And that is all from our team, which is Group 7. See you next time.